In this video, I'll guide you through a simple EFT exercise to help you work with your stage fright or performance anxiety. And you don't need any prior experience and no tools other than your fingers. So just follow along. Sit in a comfortable position and you can close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Think about an upcoming event or performance or situation that makes you nervous. Where in your body do you feel that nervousness? Is it in your stomach or chest or jaws, or where do you feel your nervousness? And how does your nervousness feel? See if you can describe it as detailed as possible. And how strong is the feeling? On a scale from 0 to 10, where 0 is nothing and 10 is maximum feeling, how strong is your feeling? And just take the first number that pops into your head. This is just a subjective tool to measure how it might change between our tapping rounds. Very good. We're now going to begin tapping. And EFT works best if you're as specific as possible. So when you repeat my sentences, if there are words that doesn't sit well with you, then just change them. And I'm also going to leave some blanks for you to fill in. I might say, even though I can feel my nervousness in my ... Then you can say in my stomach and it feels like butterflies, or I can feel that my jaws are clenching, or however it feels for you. But be detailed and specific. And you might also find that you start yawning or sighing during the exercise, and that's completely normal. And in fact, that's quite good because it tells you that the nervous system is about to relax. If at any point you feel it's overwhelming, you can always stop the exercises. Then stand up, walk around and shake it out of your body. You are always in control. Okay, let's begin tapping. So let's start at the side of the hand here. You can tap with 2, 3, 4 fingers. I normally do 4 fingers. You can tap on the left or the right side, it doesn't matter. So say after me. Even though I feel nervous, I accept that this is how I feel. Even though I have this nervousness, I accept myself anyway. Even though I feel nervous and it's in my I choose to relax now. We're going to start the first round here on the eyebrow point. And again, you can tap with 1, 2, 3 fingers, left or right side or both. It doesn't matter. We say short statements and then we move to the next point. So say after me again. I feel so nervous. Side of eye here by the bone. I feel so nervous. Under eye by the bone here again. I am nervous. Under nose. I am nervous and I can feel it in my So keep focus into your body here. Under mouth or chin. I feel so nervous. Collarbone. So we have 2 points here. So you can do both hands, one or the other, or this. It doesn't matter. I am so nervous and I can feel it in underarm, this nervousness in my body. Top of the head, I feel so nervous and it's in my Let's go straight to a second round and then we start from the eyebrow point again. And you can close your eyes and I will tell you where we're at. So we start at the eyebrow point. I am so nervous. Side of eye. This nervousness I'm feeling. Under eye. This nervousness in my body. Under nose. I can feel this nervousness in my chin. I am so nervous. Collarbones. I am so nervous and I can feel it in my underarm. I am really nervous. Top of the head. I am so nervous and I can feel it in my Take our arms down and take a couple of breaths. Focus in on your body. How does your nervousness feel now? Has it changed? Is it the same? On a scale from 0 to 10, how strong is it? And you can look up now. So from here, I would do a new statement from where I am now. I will just tell the truth. If nothing has changed, I would say, even though nothing has changed and I still feel just as nervous as I did before, I accept myself anyway. But let's now assume that it actually has calmed down a bit. Then I would say, and you can just repeat after me, even though I feel a little bit better, I am still nervous. I accept that this is how I feel. Even though I'm still a little bit nervous, I accept myself anyway. Even though I still have this nervousness in my body. And I can feel it in my I choose to relax now. Eyebrow point. I am still nervous. Side of eye. I am still nervous. Really focus in on that feeling. Under eye. I am still so nervous. Under nose. I can still feel it in my under mouth. I am still nervous. Collarbone. I still have this nervous feeling in my body. Underarm. I am still nervous. Top of the head. I am still nervous and I can feel it in my and lower your arms. Take a few deep breaths. And really focus in on your body. How does your nervousness feel now? On a scale from 0 to 10, how strong is your feeling? and so on. So you can keep on tapping until the feeling has really calmed down or it's gone. The things that can happen is that when you tap, all of a sudden there's another feeling coming up. Perhaps it's gone from nervousness into anger, for example. Then I would just go with the feeling that's strongest. So I would have swapped over to say, I'm really angry now. I'm really angry, or whatever you feel. You always speak the truth with EFT. Sometimes there will be a memory popping up. That's quite common, actually. That's associated with what we're saying. I would just have noted it, and afterwards I would have written it down so I could tap on it at a later occasion. But for this moment, I would stay with the feeling that we're tapping on now, so you don't swap back and forth. And sometimes when you start looking at a problem or zooming in on a feeling, it can increase. It can get stronger and stronger. And if that happens to you, just simply keep on tapping to calm the feeling down. And if any time it feels overwhelming, like I said, you can just stop by standing up, shaking out your body, move around, because you are always in control. Okay, for me, EFT has been a really breakthrough with my stage fright, and I hope this video can help you on your way. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!